Game guys, round 2 na. Clan Catacomb. Sunday ngayon guys Panalo kami kaninang first round. Sana panalo ulit. Madami naman kami ulit ngayon Okay, pwede na. Wait natin yung mga magchat-chat guys. Ayan na. Ayan na. Mga loko-loko. Game guys. Faster, faster. Opya. Sumabay sila. Sabayan to. Parang nag-backdoor yung isa Naka-hit sila lahat guys. Feeling ko sa kanila yung first boss. Kasi naagaw yung attention ng sa likod namin Swerte kapag nakuha pa namin guys. Sa kanila. Yun, malalakas tong mga kalaban ngayon guys So, def. Ano muna kami niyan? Statue. Left. Okay. Okay lang yan. So, ito, kukunin na namin yan to or sasabayan namin. Aray, stun pa tayo. Stun na walang damage. Sa kanila na yon. Sino ba yan nila? Farm coins, dili may check pa. So, ayan sa kanila ulit. Try natin makakuha ng coins. Ayan na sila guys. So, dito kami. Magkano na yan yung first room. Try lang namin makakuha ng coins guys. Ito. Oy, ano. Okay. Try lang natin. Nandito lahat sila Paano kaya kami sasabay nito guys? Magkano na lang tayo PvP? Ilan ang bahala? Nakaano tayo?
Wow, crazy
Nakas nila.
The enemy is so strong.
Yeah. They are so few but so strong, bro.
Yeah. My point is that
Kailangan muna natin makapag-farm ng at least 100 guys. Kasi wala tayong
I need speed, bro.
Huh?
Point.
We already lost, bro.
Yeah. We already lose, but we need point.
Come to the final boss, bro. There's points here.
We need point for getting what? Price.
Yeah. That's why come to the final boss. We can get points.
No. Just the status.
Ay, status kasi kailangan lang natin guys 100 points.
Behemoth 10 minutes.
One for once.
100 and pwede na yan. Saka na tayo sumabay. Malalakas daw yung kalaban natin guys.
They're so strong, bro.
Strong, very strong.
Yeah, true. The enemy is so strong.
Okay, change my mind. I just need
Meron
one
nga
statue.
nakita ano,
Yeah.
ay nakita
Go
mo ako kanina
to
guys,
one
naka
floor. Floor one.
Pain of Karma. Naka Pain of Karma sila guys. Oh, sana mabato ko guys, dito yung pinakamarami. Ay, nabato natin please. Nice one, guys. May chance pa tayo dyan. May chance pa. Okay, tayong tinatarget. Sige akong hit nyo, guys. Wala, ano pa yung mga kasama natin. Please. Oh, sayang.
Okay, no points. Fuck.
Sino walang points?
We still lose.
Sayang.
How many people? Oh,
20 lang sila, guys,
28
pero malalakas.
against 334. Lose.
Yeah,
Ano
what a
kayang
shame,
ano to,
bro.
guys?
We got Opa, we lose, bro. Maybe the server is
Really strong.
Oh, ang
Yeah,
lakas,
well,
ang lakas nila,
sure.
guys. Ano kayang ano to?
Maybe Kain 7 na? Maybe.
Yeah, I think. Yeah, I think so too.
Kain 7, malalakas yun eh.
Kain 7.
Yun, GG po din guys. So, yung score natin, 1-0. Ay, 1-1 pala. Kasi talong isa din, panalong isa. Yun lang guys, bye-bye!